Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x to the power 7 is equal to 196, or taking power 7 on both sides we can write here x to the power 7 whole to the power 7 is equal to 196 to the power 7. Or now we know that an exponential formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn is equal to a to the power n whole to the power m. Now applying this rule we can write x to the power 7 whole to the power x to the power 7 is equal to 196 can be written as 14 square whole to the power this 7, or x to the power 7 whole to the power x to the power 7 is equal to, now we can write here 14 to the power 2 times 7, because a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn, or x to the power 7 whole to the power x to the power 7 is equal to 14 to the power 2 times 7 is 14. Now comparing here we can write x to the power 7 is equal to 14, or now taking 7th root on both sides we can write here 7th root of x to the power 7 is equal to 7th root of 14. Here this cancel out this, so here we will get x is equal to 14 to the power 1 over 7, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.